colleagues to address the issues of the Cafe Expresso. And I am Hansa Khitan, the supervisor.
I'm Seema Khatri, Finance Manager.
I'm Sabina Acharya, Research Manager.
I'm Rachit Gurun, Public Relations.
I'm Rakesh Kumar Shah, Project Planner.
Now to talk about your Cafe Expresso. Cafe Expresso is one of the popular and classic coffee houses based in the UK coffee industry. And it has 550 stores in UK and provide employment to around 3,800 people. And it was founded in Shoreditch in the late 1980s by Stephen Lester. The company began expanding in late 90s, adding further 5 retail stores. The company's demise slowly started to emerge from the start of the 21st century. And the consultant has also described most of the major problems that the organization faces. The main issue would be rise in employees' turnover. This obviously points out the flaws in the recruitment policy of the Cafe Expresso. And the main problem of the company is recruitment and retention of the appropriate staff. While many of the chief staffs are being poached by competitors with lucrative offers, the rest are not motivated sufficiently with only the minimum wage and without any formal acknowledgement or reward for their accomplishments. Now here we are with About Us. We mainly provide HRM solutions, professional advices, financial planning and cost-effective approach to their human resource management. We are specialized in training, recruitment for temporary jobs and permanent careers. Our main objective is to expedite service, cost-effective solution, risk sharing, and we are best in our class solutions.
Problems of Expresso, Cafe Expresso, sorry. As we all know, it was a leading bank in the early 90s, 1900s, but slowly it started to degrade its quality. We have identified these are the major problems behind that. High employee turnover, lack of adequate skills and supervision, lack of motivation among employees, customer service, reward management, traditional methods. As the company is still using traditional methods of working environment, chief staffs are being poached by competitors, and there is a problem of student employees in the company, as it occupies about 1/3 of the total employees of the company. Among the students, most of them are international students, so it is very difficult to retain their services in a long period of time. And there is also a lack of motivation among employees, as only a minimum wage is provided amongst them, with no formal rewards or acknowledgement of their hard work or outstanding tasks.
Why should the Cafe Expresso choose us? Because we are the consultancy that first look after the HR solution. We prefer to solve the problems of HR in any of the companies or any of these the cafe shop. As we have did the previous also, as we have consulted with the previous companies also, and we work on the work planning. We do planning for any company. We do planning. We look after the performance issue and retention of the employees. And we also provide competition and the benefits to our consulted companies.
Past evidence. We have worked with many organizations. Among them, we have listed few over here. UCMAS, which it is a franchise company having a headquarter in Malaysia that works for the holistic brain development for the children. In this company, we had provided with the permanent place services for the position of admin assistant and course instructions for various locations. Secondly, eSeva, which is a popular online payment gateway of Nepal. In this organization, we also had provided with the recruitment services, permanent placement for the position like marketing executive. Our consultancy has focused in the main 3 criteria that the Cafe Expresso, your company, is facing: people, system, and customer service.
Out of the 3 major components or issues that we have identified as Cafe Expresso's defects, customer service is one of them. Customer service is an integral part of the company. As there is a popular saying that customers are God, then it's our responsibility to handle them with care and responsibility. Here are the solutions that we have come up with. Customer as a centered communication. We have not only focused on our product but also focused on the customers. It is one way that we are achieving this goal by one way to achieve this goal is the customer goes to employees' outcomes, and another is to involve the customers. There is also the customer loyalty. This happens after if we are able to retain the services of one customer multiple times. Hiring the right person. Right person is very important for this business to satisfy the customer. As we are only seeking for highly qualified and adequate knowledge people, creating friendly environment. We have come up with design and training regimes to help the environment, to help create a friendly environment. Also promoting local coffees in order to create a friendly environment among customers. We also are active in many online network programs and have been keep updating with customer feedbacks.
People are the key component of any organization. According to the MC George, theory X and Y, people are of 2 kinds: theory X and theory Y people. Theory X people are they dislike for the work, and a kind of a push of authority should be necessary for them to interact in organization. Whereas theory Y people respond better. In your companies also there are 2 peoples where 2 peoples, temporary and permanent. Temporary people want some kinds of motivational factor like both non-financial as well as financial motivational factor, whereas for the temporary people, they are just focusing on the money, but we have to give some trainings programs so that they can be motivated not only for gaining money but also for working in the organization, loving the environment. Recruitment is one of the most important for any organization. People placing in the right place for doing the right task is must in an organization. So your Cafe Expresso is also lacking some recruitment process. So we are focusing on the recruitment process in our organization. And opportunities for the people working in the organizations should be provided.
System. In system is like that how the company operates, or its system, how we are adapting inside the company to run adapting or processing to run the company. our system is like we are providing online, we are doing online strategy so that the customer can give us feedback from their home. Just like nowadays, the whole the world is all considering on depending on technology, and the world is of now internet facilities, all things. So people can or customer can have their feedback, suggestion to us by their online system or by our websites, our page. And we provide in our system this comes some processes like we give or we provide training to the employee, learning and development activities. We used to do this learning and development activities to make the employee to operate inside the company as a customer, how the customer demands or how the customer want to see inside us or how the customer want to see us dealing with them. And in the performance cycle means performance services like we do first we absorb, then we plan in absorption, we will absorb the performance of the our companies, then we do plan according to that how it performing according to goals and activities. After that we monitor and suggest them like monitoring on the training, suggest on the L&D needs, use L&D activities, learning and developing these all, and after that reward and after rewarding and motivating and rewarding. In motivating and rewarding, the employee will be connected us, will be with us if they are motivated with us. And reward is the main sources to motivate any of the employee, because when we appreciate our employees, they will be happy and they will work according to us. And in our performance also there is about the system, we adopt the culture of the local culture of the company, the local culture of the area, place where the company is located. Our strength is that we provide effective employees who can work for the company's goals, not for private personal goals. Increased number of customers, we help in the customer to provide customer to in the sufficient amount of the customer we provide, and help them to decrease in employee turnover, and we also help them to grow in their revenues.
Now moving towards the cost estimations, our total cost estimation is £13,000, which falls under the client meeting that we are giving free, and research work per hour 100. That means we are conducting research work for 2 days, and that's per hour 200. And then we are also giving compensation for the terminations of redundant employees, and for that we are giving 3,500 for the terminating employee. Similarly, the training and the development programs, we are estimating the cost of £7,500. And along with that, reward bonus and benefits, which includes like accidental pay insurance, we are giving £450. And company services after the contract, we are charging you £1,000. And other allowances included like transportations, fees, which includes £3,500. And here is our consulting cost, and we have made it on the basis of people, system and customer. And you can see in the whiteboard like we have appointed our consultant and their working days and charging per hour. And in the people sector we are selecting 2 consultants, whereas in system 1 and in customer service 2. And they are working for 10 days, 8 days and 7 days. Along with that, they are charging per hour for people, for the number of consultants who are working in the people sector, they are charging £20 per hour, whereas in the systems they are we are charging £40, and in customer service £30. And here is the bar graph that shows the consulting cost. And the time framework of our solution is about 3 months, and which includes the training and selection process holds up 2 weeks, whereas training of 3 weeks, and workforce evaluation every 6 months. Similarly, the meeting and discussion once every week. And in our project plan, we have subdivided our tasks, time, and the person of a consultant who is evaluating the tasks. For the recruitment criteria, we are giving the time of 2 weeks, and we will be appointing our three of the consultants. That will be Hansa, Rakesh and Sabina. Similarly, for the training employee, we are taking up 3 weeks. So, me and Rachit will be conducting that program. Similarly, the advice and recommendation for the revenue generations, we are taking that for 1 week, and that will be conducted by Sabina and Rakesh. And for the improvement in us, like that decorating the cafes, we are taking 1 week of time, and that will be conducted by Rachit and Hansa. And for the communication from manager to employee, we are improving that area and we are taking that time of 2 weeks, and that will be conducted by me. So here are the references that we refer to. Thank you.